Hello everyone, welcome to our quick guide on common types of lab apparatus and their uses. I am your instructor, and in this video we will explore some essential tools you'll encounter in the lab and how to use them effectively. Let's get started. First up, we have beakers and flocks, two of the most commonly used pieces of glassware. Beakers are cylindrical containers with a flat bottom used for mixing, stirring, and heating chemicals. They come in various sizes and often have measurement markings. While not very precise, they are great for general use. Erlenmeyer fluxes. These fluxes have a conical shape with a narrow neck, which makes them ideal for mixing by swirling without the risk of spilling. They are also used for heating and can be easily covered with a stopper. Next, we have graduated cylinders. These tall, narrow containers are designed for measuring liquids accurately. They have precise volume markings and are available in different sizes. When measuring liquids, always read the measurements at eye level and at the bottom of the meniscus. More precise measurements, we use pipettes and burettes. Pipettes are used to transfer small amounts of liquid. There are various types, such as volumetric pipettes for very precise measurements, and micropipettes for handling very small volumes. Burettes are used in titration to dispose a variable measured amount of liquid. They have a stopcock at the bottom that allows you to control the flow of the liquid drop by drop. Test tubes are small glass tubes used to hold, mix, or heat small quantities of liquid or solid chemicals. They are very versatile and can be used for a wide range of experiments. Test tube racks are used to hold multi-test tubes upright at once, which helps in organizing and conducting multi-experiments simultaneously. Balances are essential for measuring the mass of chemicals accurately. There are two main types. Analytical balances. These are highly precise and are used for measuring small masses in the sub-milligram range. Top loading balances. These are less precise but can handle large masses and are quicker to use for general measurements. Funnels are used to channel liquids or fine-grained substance into containers with a small opening. Filters, often used with funnels, are used to separate solids from liquids. This combination is essential for various purification and separation techniques. Thermometers are used to measure temperature accurately in the lab. They can be either mercury-based or digital. Ensure you handle mercury thermometers with care to avoid breakage and potential mercury exposure. Stirring rods are simple glass rods used for manually stirring solutions. Magnetic stirrers, on the other hand, use a rotating magnetic field to stir solutions automatically, providing more consistent mixing. Mastering essential laboratory skills is crucial for any successful experiments. Let's go over some key skills you'll need in the lab. Handling chemicals properly, using a balance, and finally measuring liquids by volume. Chemicals safely is crucial for any lab setting. Here are some key points to remember. Wear appropriate PPE. Always wear personal protective equipment, including lab coat, safety goggles, and gloves. This protects you from potential spills, splashes, and chemical exposure. Use a fume hood. When working with volatile or hazardous chemicals, always use a fume hood. This helps contain and volatile harmful fumes away from the work area. Label and store chemicals correctly. Ensure all chemicals are clearly labeled with their names and hazard information. Store them according to their compatibility and safety requirements. Follow safety data sheets SDS. Always refer to the SDS for information on handling, storage, and emergency measurements. This ensures you're aware of the risks and the necessary precautions. Accurate measurement of mass is essential in many experiments. Here's how to use a balance properly. Calibrate the balance. Before use, ensure the balance is calibrated correctly. Most modern balances have a calibration function. Follow the manufacturer's instruction for this process. Tar the balance. Place an empty container on the balance and press the tar button to zero the balance. This ensures only the mass of the substance is measured. Measure accurately. Gently add your substance to the container, avoiding spillage. Use a spatula for solid chemicals to ensure precision. Read the mass display on the balance and record it accurately. Accurate volume measurement is crucial for preparing solutions and conducting reactions. Here's how to measure liquids correctly. Using a graduated cylinder for general volume measurements, use a graduated cylinder. Pour the liquid into the cylinder and read the volume at eye level, ensuring you read from the bottom of the meniscus. Using a pipette. For precise measurements, use a pipette. There are different types, including volumetric and micropipette. Draw the liquid into the pipette to the desired mark and release it into the receiving container. Avoiding parallax errors. Always ensure your eye at level with the measurement mark to avoid parallax errors, which can lead to incorrect reading. That covers some of the essential lab apparatus you'll be using. Each of these tools plays a crucial role in conducting experiments safely and effectively. Also, mastering these essential laboratory skills, you ensure the accuracy and safety of your experiments. Remember, understanding the proper use of these instruments is a key for successful lab work. Always prioritize safety, stay curious, and engage actively with the course material. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to reach out. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the lab.